As far as sandpaper performance goes, 80 and 120 grit are going to be the last of your dimensioning grits. The maximum performance on an 80 grit abrasive is going to be about 10,000 stock removal for a single pass. That's going to be dependent on width of stock, density of stock, and feed speed. Now, can you slow the conveyor down and get more aggressive and take a heavier cut than 10,000s? Absolutely. But that may come at a cost. Depending on the species and the density of stock that you're running through there, the sugary, sappy, oily woods, pine, bambiki, cocobolo, ebony, those materials like cherry and mahogany and walnut, they all have resin, sugar, sap, oils in them that when you slow down will heat up. As you slow down the conveyor speed, that heats up the resin and the oil, and it likes to stick itself and adhere itself to the sandpaper on the drum. Now, when this happens, you can salvage the abrasive. If it's heavily loaded, absolutely. An example here would be a heavily loaded abrasive, and I'm going to show you how to clean that here in just a moment. Available from most hardware stores, you can pick up a gum rubber abrasive cleaning stick or a small sheet of plexiglass. The edge of a piece of plexiglass used in the same manner as a gum rubber abrasive cleaning stick will clean out heavily loaded areas of the abrasive. That's one way to salvage your abrasive from getting overloaded and burned.